Here's something a candlestick chart won't tell you. Not every price on your chart matters the same. Some levels the market barely touched and it ran right through them. Others it did a ton of business at. Those are the important levels, and candlesticks hide them completely. A volume profile is how you find them. It takes all the volume and shows you exactly where it traded at every price, so the levels the market actually cares about jump right off the chart. DeepCharts is an order flow platform you can trade through an Optimus Futures account, and in today's video, I'll show you how to pull up a volume profile, read what it's telling you, and set it up for a single session, a week, or a long-term composite. So here's what you're looking at. The profile takes all that volume and stacks it sideways by price. The longer the row, the more contracts changed hands at that price. The single longest row is the price where most the business happened. It's also known as the point of control, or POC. Around the point of control is where most of the volume traded. That's usually about 70%, and it's known as the value area. That's where the market agreed on price and spent most of its time. And the skinny sections, those are the prices with almost no volume or little volume, and those are the levels that the market rejected. Pulling up a volume profile in DeepCharts is extremely simple. We'll just come down here to the bottom toolbar, and we have some preset buttons. DVP drops a daily volume profile onto the chart. WVP brings up a weekly volume profile, and CVP is a composite volume profile. You can also add a custom range volume profile from the drawing toolbar on the left, and click and drag. And you can also add one from the indicators section labeled Deep Profile. Now the window you profile changes the story. So a daily profile shows you where the market did its business in a single session, shown here. A weekly zooms out to where the whole week traded, shown here. And a composite stacks weeks or months into one profile, and that's shown here on the right. To change the settings of any volume profile you have open, you can come down here to the bottom and right-click for settings. And the volume type can be volume, ask bid volume, delta, delta and total volume, and then delta percentage. So you can play around with these and see what ones you like to see or what ones fit your trading the best. But I typically use volume, and you can start or change the start and end time. You can enable the point of control, which shows the price where the most volume traded, and you can change the percentage of the value area here. So to recap, a volume profile shows you where the market actually did its business, the point of control, and the value area. In DeepCharts, you can drop it in from the bottom left toolbar or the indicators menu. Then just set your period and type in the settings. If you want to pull this up on your own charts, open an Optimus Futures account at the link in the description and select DeepCharts during onboarding. If this was helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.